Hello, iLEAP Club members. Today we are going to see how intonation, pauses, and emphasis make great speakers bring words alive. Powerful speakers do not just speak words, they make the audience listen, feel, and remember. Words alone are not enough. Two speakers can say the exact same sentence, but sound completely different. One may sound boring, while another sounds exciting and powerful. Your voice creates emotion and meaning. Remember this important idea. Great speakers do not just say words. They bring words alive through intonation, pauses, and emphasis. When your voice has expression, your message becomes stronger. Now ask yourself, which speaker would you listen to? A flat voice sounds boring, rushed, and unclear. An expressive voice sounds energetic, confident, and interesting. Powerful speakers control their voice intentionally. There are 4 important pillars of vocal delivery: intonation, pauses, emphasis, and enunciation. Intonation is the music of your voice. Pauses are the power of silence. Emphasis makes words stronger. Enunciation helps you speak with clarity. Intonation means the rise and fall of your voice. It helps you show emotion, sound natural, keep audience attention, and avoid sounding robotic. For example, when you say, "I am excited to be here today," your voice should sound truly excited. Now let us look at pauses. Silence can be powerful. Pauses help you emphasize key ideas, build suspense, give thinking time, and sound calm and confident. Listen to this sentence. The greatest obstacle to success is fear. That pause makes the word fear more powerful. Emphasis means giving extra strength to important words. For example, I am absolutely determined to succeed. When we emphasize absolutely and succeed, the sentence becomes stronger and more memorable. Enunciation means speaking every word clearly. Strong speakers do not mumble. They pronounce words carefully and speak with clarity. Instead of saying, "We gonna win this competition," say clearly, "We are going to win this competition." Now we combine all the skills. Listen carefully. Leadership is not about being loud. It is about inspiring others. The pause after loud creates tension. The word inspiring is emphasized. The voice rises and falls naturally. Now the audience can feel the message. Here is your iLEAP Club practice activity. Say this 3 times. We must learn. We must lead. We must inspire. First, say it in a flat voice. Then add pauses. Finally, add intonation and emphasis. You will feel the difference immediately. Let us remember, intonation creates emotion. Pauses create power. Emphasis creates impact. Enunciation creates clarity. Powerful speakers do not rush words. They give words life. Thank you, iLEAP Club members. Practice these skills in every session. Speak clearly, pause powerfully, emphasize important words, and bring your voice alive. Good luck, iLEAP Club members.